Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 34 which is worked with powder pink DK special yarn from Magic Needles and its color code is 1843. This pattern requires multiples of 4 stitches or multiples of 4 plus 2 chains if worked individually. So to begin with, I am not adjusting anything in the beginning stitches, but I will be adjusting the remaining stitches at the end. So to begin with, make your first standing double crochet in the very first stitch. Then skip one stitch and make a DC V stitch, that is place 1 DC, chain 1, 1 DC, all in the same stitch. Next, skip the next DC and place 1 DC in the next one. Skip this and DC here. Then skip the next stitch, DC V stitch in the following one. Continue this pattern till the end, that is after the V you will skip one stitch, place 1 double crochet, skip the next and place DC V stitch. DC V stitch is the simplest of simple one we are doing here. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same stitch. So repeat the sequence of V and double crochet, skipping one stitch in between them. I shall meet you at the end over here. We come to the end here, so I am left with 3 stitches. So skip one and DC is the next pattern as per the pattern. And we are left with that last extra stitch, make 1 DC over there. This is very simple adjustment. So at the end of odd rows you are adjusting just 1 stitch, and beginning of the row you are adjusting 1 stitch. So make the first DC. 1 minute. So make a DC here, make a V stitch in the next chain 1 space, and in the next you are going to make front post DC. Wherever you have standalone DCs in the pattern, you are going to make front post DCs, and in the chain 1 space between 2 DCs you are going to place DC, chain 1, DC. So next we come to the standalone DC here. So we place the front post double crochet. Then in chain 1 space, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Continue this pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I have placed the last DC on the last stitch here. Now turn your work. To begin with, make your standing double crochet. Then in every chain 1 space you are going to work only DC V stitch, that is 1 double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. And now where you made the front post double crochet in the previous row, there you have to make the back post double crochet. Then in chain 1 space, DC, chain 1, DC. This is the pattern repeat for this particular row. Now again, back post DC on the single DC stitch that we have made here. This is how it will look. So continue this pattern. In every chain 1 space make DC V stitch, and wherever you find a single DCs, which is not part of your V stitch, there you make your front post or back post as per the row instructions. So here we are making the back post to continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. I have placed my last stitch on the last stitch of the previous row. Now turn the work, and for the blanket I am going to stop with these 2 rows only. And now this is going to be the DC row with which I complete the pattern for the blanket. So to begin with, make a standing DC and 1 DC across in each of the DCs and 1 DC in the chain 1 space. So that will get you the number of DCs you began with. So DC on DC, DC on the DC holding the V stitch, 1 DC in chain 1 space, DC on DC, again DC on the DC, that is actually the back post DC we did in the last row. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end when I complete the DC row. I have completed the DC row here, and with this we come to the end of this particular pattern. Thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.